Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get PlayStation Plus on your other accounts on your PlayStation 4. So you can see my main account has PlayStation Plus indicated by the PlayStation Plus symbol right here. And none of these other accounts have it. But I can still play online on these accounts. So if I go to my main account right now and I log in, I go to the home screen. I want to go up to settings right here and then go to account management. Then go to activate as your primary PS4 and make sure it's activated on the top right here. And mine is grayed out because I already have it activated as my primary PS4. But having it activate as your primary PS4 will allow you to share PlayStation Plus and all the games that you purchased on your account with the other accounts. So PlayStation Plus is now being shared. Now I want to download games to my PlayStation 4 so I can share it with my other accounts. So let's go on over to library right here and then go on down to purchase and then download a game under here and it will be used on my other accounts. So let's go to NBA 2K13 and go to download. And you have to do this with games you buy too. So you have to buy on your main account and then you can share it with your other accounts. So if I go to a different account now, let's go to switch users and let's just go to this one right here and select it and enter in my passcode. You can see some of the games are being shared and I can access them. Now when you can't play them, there will be a little lock symbol next to them and I don't see that issue with any of these. So if I hold down the PlayStation button and I go to notifications, I can see NBA 2K13 is downloading right here and it's calculating. So that is how you can easily share PlayStation Plus with your other accounts. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.